Hello everyone. I made this video for all of you. We only spent 1 week together. I already feel sad because you are leaving, but on the other hand, I'm very happy. It's difficult to explain. I just want to say something. Everything what you do, do it with love and heart. Goodbye, my friends. Oh, I forgot something. I need to... Yes, I need to complete my punishment. So here it is. For Polish, kocham cię. For Portuguese, eu te amo. For Italians, ti amo. And for Slovenians, volim vas. Goodbye. See you soon and may the heart be with you. Bye bye.